Hello guys, in this live stream, I will actually show you a website where it actually provides you with the free API key for calling different AI models. This website is Fireworks AI. I'm using this website for past 6 months, and it is providing me this free API key where you can call open source LLMs, all the AI providers such as Quen, ChatGPT, Quen 3, GPT-5, all the latest models. So once you land on this page right here, this is the actual website fireworks.ai. It's a very famous website, and this is actually their landing page. So it has all the models: Kimi K2, DeepSeek, Minimax, Claude, GLM. And now to get started, you can sign up using your Google account or GitHub account. So it just takes 2 minutes to sign up, and after it sign ups, it gives you your API key. So just need to finish this. Click on continue. Just answer these questions. And once you answer all these questions, you get $5 free credit. So to try out all the AI models inside the API, so you simply submit, and you get $5 free credit without any kind of credit card. So you get this $5 credit completely free, and you access thousands of models directly using their API. So once you submit now, you will see inside the dashboard area, you basically have, it has their own playground section as well where you can have 200 models directly. So right here, if I show you the playground section, so this is their playground section. We have the chat prompt, and instantly you get $6 credit, which is really more than enough to try out all the models. So from here you select the model, whatever model you want to work upon. You can see DeepSeek, Kimi K2, Minimax, Quen 6, GLM, Kimi, Llama, Minimax, OpenAI, GPT. All the models are there. You simply select your model, and directly inside the chat playground section you can chat with this model. So we can simply ask any question, like suppose I say top Node.js frameworks in 2026. As soon as you do this, it will directly answer you through this Kimi K2. You will see that now it is listing out the top 10 frameworks using this AI model directly inside the playground section. So it's a really trusted website. I'm using this for past 6 months, and I haven't got any problem at all. And if you click the try the API section, you simply get the code for inside different languages. You will see that inside Python, how to do that. This is the base URL right here. This is your TypeScript section. We have Java, Go, Shell, everything. And right here you click the get API key button, and after that get API key, you will be redirected to this sidebar section, and here you will see the API keys. So if you simply go to this, click on create API key. So just give it a name and click on generate API key. So right here you will get this API key directly. Simply copy to clipboard. And now to use this API, I will highly recommend that you use this extension in VS Code, RU code. Simply install this extension, and after you install this, it will be activated right here. Simply go to the settings section right here, and inside this you simply select OpenAI compatible inside API provider, and just paste this API key that you got. I already pasted this, and inside the base URL directly you will paste the base URL. So the base URL will be this one. So this is actually your base URL. So I simply paste this directly right here. So don't just delete this. Just this is actually your base URL, http api fireworks.ai inference version 1. From here, just select OpenAI compatible. Oh yeah, so yeah, inside API provider, you if you simply type Fireworks AI, so you will get this option Fireworks AI. Simply select that, and now here you need to replace the API key. So you can see that we pasted our API key, API provider Fireworks AI, and from here you select the API AI model, which AI model you want to use. So let's suppose from here I select any model you can select from here. Let's suppose I use this model. Click on save. After that, click on start new task. Simply type hi, and now the API will respond to you. 404 model not found. Let me just see what is the. Just make sure that the API key that you pasted is correct. I think my API key is not correct. Let me copy this once again and paste it. Sorry, this is the API key. The API key was wrong. And once again, just ask a question. And now the API will respond to you. 404 error is coming. I don't know why it is coming. I pasted the correct setting right here. Let me use this one. So credits, you basically get $6 credits to actually try this. You can even add a payment method to actually uh, top up more credits once it is over. So you can buy more credits as well. And now if you want to try this, as you see inside the playground section, you can try this for completely free. Model details, if you want to see the model details, you simply see this is actually the full model, the information regarding this model. And yeah, so now this is the fully Python script that they have given to you. Let me show you how to do this. So just create app.py, simply paste this code, and directly here you will paste this API key. So now to get the API key, let me paste the API key. So here you just need to paste the API key. We create. Sorry, this is the API key. I pasted wrong API key early on. That's why that root code was not working. So this is my correct API key. And if you try to run this now, we basically ask a question right here, hello, how are you? And as you can see, we are using this model DeepSeek. So now if you run this, simply python app.py, simply call the API, and now you will see the API will work. So as you can see, the script worked. Similarly, if I show you in true code, I pasted my wrong API key. Just save this. Now again try. So now you can see that hello, how can I help you today? So you can see that now it is perfectly working. It is consuming those credits 9%. So right here I simply tell build a image to PDF web app in browser and create a index and write all the code. So directly I ask this question. Now you will see it will start creating that application for us. So you will see that now it is creating that image to PDF editor. It's automatically writing the code for us. You click on save. So now you can see that it's actually built out this application for us. Task completed. So image to PDF application. You can switch to any model from here. Simply provide API provider. Just paste your API key. And as you see, after consuming those credits, it will be, so again, it is more than enough. It gives you around $6 credits after you sign up. You can try the playground section, and similarly, you can connect with any model. You can also select here GLM. Let me save this. I can simply ask a follow-up question. Please make the UI more complex and practical. So this is actually the thing, guys. The website is quite fantastic, fireworks. Definitely try this. It gives you this $6 credit. 200 plus AI models are there. You will see that Quen 3, 3.6 plus, Quen 3, DeepSeek. Click on View All. So these 200 models are there. You'll see that all the models are there. So it's a really popular website, and if you see the settings right here inside API key section, from here you select your API keys. The quotas will actually show you how much usage you have done. So definitely try this. So you can see total spent.